lesson, and today we are going to install some few plugins. Then we will do our site customization. Yes, so that is what we are going to do. So we are going to install some few plugins that will help us design our site very, very well and very, very nice. So over here, we'll come to plugins. And when we come to plugins, we come to add plugin. Yes, add plugin. So over here, we are going to search for templates. Starter templates. So starter templates. So here is this very one templates, AI powered templates for Elemental, and this very one. I've already installed it, but I've not activated it. So with you, you will install and you then what activate. Yes. Then after that, you come to this very one, Envato element, Envato elements. So with Envato elements, this is how it looks like. This very one. It has 300,000 installations. Look at the logo very well. This one, also known as template kits hyphen import. So that one I've also installed, but you install then you activate, or you install, you just install, you activate them later. Then we come to health. We look for another plugin that is check, health check and health check and troubleshooting. So basically, this one is to check the state of our site, whether it's in good shape or whether it's in issue or something. So if let's say there are some few error pages, once this will help you troubleshoot and know what is the problem. So here is it. Cut it very well. By WordPress organization. Yes. So I've also installed, but I've not activated. So you activate them later. Then is the last one is backup migration. So with the backup, after you are done building your site, you back the site up and you download the website files to your device, that is to your machine or to your pen drive. So later in the future, when maybe your server is not working or by mistake your server files are being deleted, you can get a new domain and get a host, then upload or import your files, then you have your website back again. So this is how the backup migration also looks like. So these are the four things. So now let's go and activate them. So you come to plugins, then we come to installed plugins. So now you are going to look for them. The backup migration, you check the box or you select them. Health check, starter templates, then template kits import. So now once you select those ones, you come to bulk action. Right down here, bulk action, you click, then you select activate. So basically this is going to activate the selected ones. Yes. So apply, then it applies them. You see there are some few updates here. So with your own you can come and update those updated ones perfectly like that. So over here you skip this very one. So this is the backup migration that has. So once we are done, we will come back to backup migration and you create a backup number. We are not going to do that one because we've not built anything on our site. Yes, so that is it. So now we are going to move to the site customization. So we are going to customize the site in a way that would help us. So you will come to settings over here, settings here. Then we come to, so once you come to settings, general, this is general. So general, how your site, you want your site to be like. The title, for instance, at the top here, is you can see word, um, Softaculous WordPress management. This is just an example I'm giving you. So this is the page. This is the page name. Then this is the site title. Over here, too, you can see my blog site. That's the site title. So you will come here and change it to how you want yours to be. You get it. So let's say I'm using my web class. Yes, so this is my web. But you put the title of your site there, maybe your company, maybe your church, maybe your school, maybe your organization. Then you can leave the tagline blank like that. You know. Then you can add the site icon. So the site icon is basically, when you look here, you see over here there is some icon here. That is the site icon. So over here you can put your logo there. You see this one to here, this one to here. So when you click the icon, you insert your logo. Then we leave this ones, and this is the administration email address. So if somebody should send an email through the site, this is the email that it will come on. Then now, if you are creating a site whereby members should register, you can register. So you can register. It's more like maybe you want people to log into your site and access some few things, something like that. So you can click on register. Then you can also uncheck it depends on what you are building. Then we have subscriber. That's the new rule. So when somebody registers a member or login, the person first be a subscriber. Subscriber just look at what is there and engage. But we can also have a contributor. Contributor problem, maybe the person is contributing to the site. You've given a rule to the person to contribute. We have an author like, let's say those who will be doing blog, that kind of thing, or probably some ebook or something. The person can just sign up and add or some certain things. Then we have editor. Editor is more like an administrator, but an editor can edit some few things on the site. Like that, then the administrator, you have the entire power to do everything that you want. So automatically, you just have subscription for those who, anytime if you want to log in, you come to users, then you say them, we leave this like that, we leave this like that. Then that is it. So we save our changes. So now that we save our changes, we'll come to primary links. So the primary links are basically the URLs. So for instance, if you look at the top here, we have my web class. That this is your URL. Then this is the site you are on. Then this is the page. So for instance, this plane has your URL here. That's your site URL. Then probably the page numbers. It's not professional. This one to your URL is here. Then the date of the page and the page name. No. So basically, we will come for post name. So the post name has your URL and the sample post. So if it's services, so it will come with your URL and services. If it's this is very professional, the post name is professional, so we select that very one like that, then we leave it. So post name so that we have, if it's contact us page, you are going to see contact us. If it's about us, you see about us. If it's a shop, you see shop, like that. Very professional. Then we save these changes to as well. We save these changes as well. Then now, depending on the theme you are using, we are using Ocean WP. So you can come and do some few customization here. You come to customize. So over here, the customize to yeah, over here the customize to we have the prototype a protography. The protography is basically the font sizes, but we are not going to do anything here. The colors too, we are not going to do anything here for now. The site settings over here, we are not coming to do anything here. The page, so the page is what we are coming to work on. So we have the page title. Only if you installed Ocean WP themes, then you are going to have this. Because every theme and how their customization is, you get it. So if you have a theme and probably you are finding difficult to customize it, you can literally watch a video based on that theme. So we have this page title. So in your case, if you are using Ocean WP, your page title would be on like this. It's going to be turned on, which means that if you're on services, the services is showing boldly like this at the page, which is not professional at all. If you're at about us, you're going to see about us before the before the page. It's not nice. You get it. It's not nice. You know. If you're at contact us, you're going to see contact us boldly here, like the title of the page before the content of the page. It's not nice. So basically, you just turn it off. You just turn it off and it vanishes. So now when you're on about us, it gives you the about us page, but it doesn't show the page title. Then we have so we are done with the page title. We come back. Then we have top bar. So the top bar with Ocean WP, you're going to see a top bar here that says that add content. Add content. That is the initial thing. I just want to show you. I've turned it off. So add your content here. This top bar. We don't need it. And we don't need it. So we just turn it off. Boom. Then we are gone. We don't like it. So we are done with the top bar. Then the headers to we leave the headers like that. So the header, okay, so the header we can have the header logo. That is when we started building something. So you can put your logo here and then you do some few touches to the logo. But right now you will come there later. You will come here later. Then we have menus too. Menus are basically the navigations that somebody can click to go to another page, somebody can click to go to another page. Right now we don't have any page. We've not built any pages, so we are not working on the menu now. When we are done with the pages, we'll come back to the menu. Then very important one, we have the footer. So with your own, the footer has a default thing. This is one thing that makes me like, how do you call it? Ocean WP. They give you the chance to edit. So over here you can just click and edit it. Yours will be something WordPress, so you just customize it. So copyright art. Let's say we are doing 2026. So you customize the year, then you customize the year, then probably your site's title or whatever your company is, you put it there. So mine is my class, right? My my Dave class. It's a kind of thing. So it makes you what am I even doing? My Dave class. So you will just put your own there for real customization so that your site looks very professional. You get it? Then we have the footer menus too. You will come there later. Yes, so that is it. Yeah, then the rest will come to menus later. Site identity is also basically what we did at the WordPress, your site title and whatever thing that you would like to. Then home page settings. So the home page settings too is we have the um your latest post. Your latest post is more like you are doing more of a blog. Yeah, then static is when we have a home page that everybody returns to whenever they are clicking. So we will come after we are done with our pages, we will come and have this once done. Yes, so this brings us to the end of the class. And in our next class, we are going to start building pages. Then we are getting close to the. Sorry, one more thing. After you are done with this, you publish. You publish them. Yes, so you publish so that they start working. So now we can just close our site. Yes, so as I said, our next class we are going to build pages. We are going to do home page, services page, about us, then contact us. Then we can see that we are halfway and do some few customizations and you know that boom, we are almost done with our class. Thank you very much. Bye.